All right, guys, 1997 Chevy Tahoe 5.7 liter V8 lifted. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, and this is the one that comes true dualed already. So we added in there Flowmaster Super 10, dual in, dual out. I'll get you guys a part number in a second on it. There'll be a link in the description for it. We added mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side to dual it out, and then we finished it off cleanly with 5-inch roll tips for a clean, smooth sound. As you guys can see right there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. And there's the muffler that was on it and the tailpipe. These come from the factory true-dualed into the muffler. Some of them did, some of them didn't. So that's how it looks like before. That's what it looks like after. I'm going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Chevy Tahoe. Here we go. Go ahead. Put a smile on his face, so he's happy. You like it?
Yeah, sounds good.
Thumbs up. All right. Here we go. That sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. Right at 114. Chevy Tahoe 5-inch tips, dual in, dual out, Flowmaster Super 10. Beautiful. Magnificent. Sounds mean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Tahoe lifted now with true duals, Flowmaster Super 10, 5-inch black roll tips.